Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we draw numbers 1 to 20. First we use ultramarine color, the next one is green color, and now we use black color. The next one is red color, and now we use yellow color. Kids, first we draw the number of 1 and now we use ultramarine color. First we draw the number of 1, O-N-E, 1, and the next one is 2, T-W-O, 2. Now we draw 3, T-H-R-E-E, 3. Kids, now we draw the number of 4, F-O-U-R, 4. And now we draw 5, F-I-V-E, 5. Now we use green color. Kids, the number of 6. Now we draw 6, S-I-X, 6. The next one is 7, S-E-V-E-N, 7. And the next one is 8. Now we draw 9, N-I-N-E, 9. The next one is 10, T-E-N, 10. We again use green color. Now we draw 11. Black color, black color. Kids, now we use black color. The number of 11. The next one is 12, T-W-E-L-V-E, 12. And the next one is 13. Now we draw 14. Kids, the next one is 15 and we again use black color. Black color. The number of 15. The next one is 16 and now we use red color. Now we use red color, red color. The number of 16 and the next one is 17. And now we draw 18. Kids, now we draw 18. Now we use red color. The next one is 19. We again use red color and now we draw the number of 20. Kids, today we draw numbers 1 to 20. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.